Hey everybody, Casey here. Are you wondering how you add a truck to your existing Schedule 1? Let me walk you through it. Start by logging into your account and that will land you right here on the dashboard. Now, a lot of people want to start by going into their fleet center. They add their vehicle here and then they call and they ask how to get their Schedule 1 updated. But this fleet center is not connected to the IRS. This is just a place where we save your trucks. So it's better instead if you head back to the dashboard and go ahead and get started from there. I'm going to choose to file a new return, not an amendment. I'm good with the wizard. And now it's time to pick the tax year. Now, typically for people adding vehicles throughout the year, they're going to be filing for the current tax period and whatever the current month is. I'm going to say January here, okay? Now, this date is really important because your taxes are likely going to be prorated based on this date. If you're adding a truck to your fleet mid-year, that means it's a new purchase, or it's a new acquisition, or you've traded in something old on something new, or hired a new driver, or put something on the road to replace something that's broken, something that wasn't working before that is working now, okay? And your taxes are going to be prorated based on when you first use it on the highway. So that's what this filing month is really asking for. Then I will just click to add my new truck. I'll just make up a quick VIN number here and I'll choose my vehicle weight. Logging is like cutting down trees. It's not your logbooks. So this isn't a log truck. I'm gonna leave that unchecked and continue. And that's it. That's how you add a new truck to your stamped Schedule 1. You're gonna go ahead and complete filing the form. You can add a credit if you've got one. You can leave it blank if you've got one. Review your information, all is well. Check your check boxes and choose how to pay your taxes. And when you're done here, you'll get a brand new stamped Schedule 1. Now, you're gonna have two documents going forward. A lot of people think the IRS is gonna update their old schedule and issue a brand new one with all of their fleet on it, but that's not how it works. You're gonna have your original filing and your new filing. Two documents to juggle for this here. When you renew in July, you can absolutely put them all in one document and go from there. And that's it, folks. Keep it simple out there and don't hesitate to give us a call with any questions.